Good morning guys, and welcome to, well, as you've seen by the title, this weekend in London vlog. We are super excited to go. We've got brilliant weather for this weekend. And we are even more excited because we are going to Harry Potter World. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, and so is my little boy, and we've never been before, so we are super excited to go. We are getting the train up and the train back, obviously, and we are staying in the Ibis Hotel in the Ibis XL Hotel, something like that, on Docklands. And yeah, we are so excited to go, and we're going to take you guys with us. Okay, well this is the room. We've had to push the two beds together to make one big bed because I wasn't exactly looking forward to sleeping in a single bed. So we've had to move that over here, and it looks like there's no bathroom in the room until you see this door here. And these bathrooms are not pictured on the website. Look at this. This is a joke, and this is the shower. This here. I'm fuming. I'm really not happy about this. This is the room that they show on the website for the bathroom, and as you can clearly see by my last video, but this is absolutely 100% very different. Very, very misleading. And also, while I'm having my little rant about it, in the description it says free toiletries. These are the toiletries. I wouldn't exactly go bragging about those free toiletries if I were you, Ibis. Good morning guys, today is the day we are off to Harry Potter World. We're super excited. First we need to go down to the hotel room and get some breakfast. I've heard mixed reviews about the breakfast here, so hopefully it makes up for the bathroom situation. And just a quick little outfit of the day, today featuring a Poundland bag. Today I'm actually wearing head to toe Primark. These mum jeans here, mum style jeans, are from Primark. I think they're about £10, and this t-shirt is also from Primark, and it was only about £4, so winning on the outfit front there. But yeah, like I said, it is now time to go.
series, and as you all come on in, you can see it's most definitely one of our largest. In fact, we can fit over 400 cast and crew members in here, or on a really good day, 22 double-decker buses. So we definitely have room for all of you, so keep coming in from the back there, just so we can get the doors closed behind you. And as you can see, as you're coming in, the lights are low, the tables are dressed, and the fires are lit. And this is what we like to call in the film in this few days at Hogwarts, giving the students plenty of time to work out what they really want to put their names into the goblet. And then at the ceremony, it goes a lovely shade of red when it's ready to pick a champion. And then it does that. So someone would like to pick that piece of paper up for me, unravel it, and shout out the name of today's champion. Have we lost it? That's embarrassing. No, we've got it. Fantastic. No, that's okay. Fantastic. Let's unravel it and shout out the champion.
That way. And one, two, good, and three. Perfect. Well done.
For the letters. Oh, look at all the
Everybody who worked for the production of the movie. So actors, directors, costume designers, everybody who's been involved in credit, they've got the names in the walls. There is any particular name you'd like to see, any particular actor, any favorite character?
The black are always they couldn't have to get them out. That was so funny.
Okay, so I've just done a very quick change of my top, which I should have ironed in hindsight, and we're going to go out and see what we can find for dinner. Still got the same jeans on, different bag, different shirt. Quick change. Good morning guys, it is our last day this morning. We have just been down for breakfast. We're all packed, pretty much. I'm ready to go, so we're going to go and explore London a bit this morning. Maybe go to Selfridges, to have a look around at some other places, and we're going to take you guys with us. It's such a lovely day here, so I'm going to make the most of it, and apparently it's absolutely chucking it down with rain back at home, so it sounds like we're going to have to make the most of the sun today. But yeah, so let's get our suitcases packed and we're off. Oh, and a super quick OOTD outfit of the day. I have this t-shirt on by Session. I have these Mom Primark jeans on again. I have my big bag from Love Her Style featuring a suitcase. And now we are off. Green juice time. What juice have you got?
Strawberry smoothie.
Nice. So quiet here today. we're in bed. Well, we're not in bed yet. I have to shower, take the makeup off. You know what it's like when you've been on a train and travelling for ages. You just feel all disgusting and bleh. So I'm going to get rid of this bleh feeling, and I think I'm going to get straight into bed and go to sleep. But I would like to say a big thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked coming to London and Harry Potter World with us. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost a thing, but it makes me happy, so hit that little subscribe button and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!